So here we have a nice example of a rather scarce model of a Watling Rol-A-Top. This is a 1 penny machine, or 1 penny denomination, pre-war model. So it has the earlier case that is solid oak with ribbed sides and very high detail castings, which is again indicative of the earlier Watling Rol-A-Tops. 1 penny machine would just be a rare denomination to find, or certainly a scarce, because the way it worked from a Watling standpoint was you could order a machine of any denomination from 1 penny up to 50 cent. And in particular, the 1, 5, and 10 cent models were the same price. And so if you were an operator and you were looking to put the machine into a club setting, if you think about the economics, it doesn't take long to realize that a 1 cent machine, even though you pay the same price for it, it'll take 5 times longer to pay back relative to a nickel denomination. So they just weren't that common. There were certainly examples of them in clubs where they would want to have a 1, 5, 10 type of setup, perhaps in a lineup. But as a whole, you did not see a lot of penny Rol-A-Tops out in location. And so this one is nice, having had an older restoration, and really plays very well and shows very well. Original tin strips, again the earlier casting, or earlier case, and the interior mechanism in fine condition, original back door, lock and keys, and so on. So let's go ahead and play it. Plays quite well, and as we see the pay card, the lowest payout is for 2 cherries, and we see the 2 cherry combination. It just did kick out 3 pennies down here, so we got our payout. That was pretty quick. Let's see if we can get something a little more sizable. Oh, there's another. This one will actually be 5. So here's there's 3, 4, 5 pennies, and that's because the 2 cherries with a lemon gives an additional 2 penny payout. So once again, here is the rather scarce and desirable early pre-war Watling Rol-A-Top 1 cent denomination.